Ever since we arrived in India, it's been a dream of mine to be dressed up in traditional Indian clothes and have a photo shoot.
Would you wear one of them now in India?
I'd wear one for I'd just get a photo shoot done.
An Indian photo shoot?
Yeah.
We will at some point get some Indian costumes, won't we?
Yes, definitely. Before we leave India, that is a mission of ours. Is
You
to
will.
get an Indian outfit and get some cool pictures while we're in India.
Like this.
And today, thanks to our host Alif and his lovely family, my dream comes true.
Are you excited?
Yeah, so excited. Alif has arranged for us to be fitted in traditional Indian clothes and asked a photographer, his friends Shooby and Rim, to take our pictures. That's right, our pictures. Keelan is also getting dressed up too.
Might be a bit big. Two of me can get in this.
And I think he's pretty excited about it.
This will be funny.
So with the help from Alif's lovely mother, it was time to turn this dream into a reality. But first, we need to decide on a dress.
Well, which colour would you prefer?
I tried the orange and I tried the red.
This is a long skirt kind of thing. You have to wear it
Under the saree. First you wear this and then
you can wear it on top of what you're wearing.
yeah.
Just slip it on over, yeah. Okay, perfect,
Okay. First of all you wear this and this one. You go
And this
inside
one.
and wear.
And then come out and you can do the saree. Okay, brilliant.
Lovely.
Let's do this.
So we are waiting outside.
Okay, perfect.
let us know.
I'll slip it on. I'll be 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Great stuff.
Brilliant.
God, it's full service.
I know. Full service.
That's
I'm
so
so
nice.
excited. This is one thing I've been dying to do since we got to India. Is like Indian clothes and a photo shoot, and like Alif's mum, this is the homestay we're staying in, she's so lovely. This is all her clothes. She's after borrowing them to me. The only thing is I can't choose the colours because they're look
so
at all
many
them
options.
colours, like they're
Yeah.
absolutely beautiful. I've never seen colours like it. Look at that one and all. Real Aladdin vibes. I love it. This part is done.
You look great. Right,
So now I have to get the saree put on.
Okay.
Supposedly that's difficult, so
Right.
Alif's mum is going to do it. I don't know how long it takes,
Okay.
but I'm interested to see how it's
The
actually
process.
done, the process of it.
Right, let's find out.
Yeah.
Oh, I think so. She's.
Once we decided on the dress, it was time to add some traditional accessories.
You have to add that.
Yeah, I think so.
What's the name of this?
We call it mom tika.
Okay.
Okay.
Mom tika basically means, so we call this line here in the center, the hairline, as mang in Hindi. So this is a mang tika. Tika is something that we do here. You might have seen people having a red thingy here.
Yeah.
So that is tika. So that's kind of like a mang tika.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it. I
You
think
have
it's.
to. Yeah.
Some bangles for you too.
Oh, you're so good. Thank you.
ये मन का नहीं है तो ये पहन लेंगे ऐसे
हाँ correct. बढ़िया.
These bangles you can wear.
हाँ चलिए तो भाई.
Amazing. So I can put them on.
Can you believe you're getting a
I know, I can't
saree
believe it.
in India?
It's great.
I need to take a.
Please ठीक कर दोगे?
Looking at you from behind, it looks like my mom didn't got hair.
Real quick, if you're like us and maybe overdid it during the Christmas season, cheers! That's one of the nicest foods I've ever tried. Well, now it's time to focus on eating more healthy but better nutritious foods. That is where HelloFresh comes in. With HelloFresh, you can order everything you need to make healthy and delicious meals sent straight to your door. You can also choose from a wide variety of meals, and not only do you receive all fresh ingredients, you can also get step-by-step instructions on how to make them.
Oh, lovely.
What we love the most about HelloFresh is just how convenient it is. There's no going to the supermarket, no making a shopping list. You just order everything online and it just saves you so much time. Everything you need is in the box. We're making a conscious decision to eat more healthy with delicious and nutritious foods, and so should you. To try HelloFresh for yourself, just simply click the link in our description. You can get 60% off your first box and 25% off for 2 months using our codes. Such an amazing offer. So get on the healthy eating buzz with HelloFresh. Now back to the vlog.
Oh, wow.
Keep it like this. You one.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't think you
Nice.
And you're a
That's
safety pin.
beautiful.
लगा नहीं, I don't think safety pin के बिना सही है, but then ऐसा ना हो कि वो संभालने पर को समझ नहीं
बस क्यों
आएगा.
इसको फोटोग्राफी करानी है ना तो
हाँ,
मैं क्या
हाँ।
से पिनअप की जरूरत नहीं है स्टाइल करके पल्लू गिरा के हाथ से ऐसे भी कर सकती है ऐसे भी कर सकती है,
हाँ,
ऐसे भी कर सकती है,
सही है।
और like this.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Like this. Looking so beautiful. Looking like princess.
Like a princess.
I feel it.
That is unreal. It's beautiful.
Where is the tikka? Now this will.
Samantha, look here.
टीका थोड़ा ज़्यादा नीचे हो
नीचे
गया।
आएगा पर ठीक है, मैंने कहा इसके बाल लूँ।
एक
हटा दे पल्लू।
वो पल्लू की बात में करती रहेगी, स्टाइल करके या पल्लू को फैला के, इनको जो भी करना होगा ना।
So that's the outfit complete.
Complete.
Oh my god. Well, you look beautiful.
I'm trying to see in the mirror now.
Oh yeah.
You wanna say look yourself in mirror?
Yes. Go have a look.
This one is a next style.
Okay.
You can do like this one.
There are
also.
like thousands of style you can.
That the way you can wear it, like.
Okay.
Different
Not
style of
thousands,
saree.
but hundreds,
You
I
can handle like this.
Okay.
This is like a normal wear.
Normal wear. You can go office wear.
okay.
Anywhere.
And then if you want to wear a fancy, it's like
Yeah,
on the
fancy.
holds
You
it
can
up.
also drape it in front, and you
Okay.
know you can take that thing, the leftover there. You know, also cover it up like this from the
Ah.
other side.
Ah.
Go have a look.
Have a look.
Yeah, go.
Go.
Okay.
Reveal time.
Oh wow! Oh my god! It's gorgeous, isn't it? I want to dress like this every day. Honestly.
God, he
Oh
looks
my
stunning.
god! Wow! It's absolutely beautiful. Isn't it?
Well, do you remember when we were in Kochi and you said you wanted to look like?
Oh my god! I love it. Honestly, so much like.
God, there's a fuss being made out of you.
I can't stop looking at myself. Crazy. Honestly, it's absolutely beautiful, Keelan, isn't it?
It is.
Oh my god, feel like a proper princess. Now that I'm all dressed up and feeling like a princess, it was time to find my prince.
This is the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just see how it looks on you. Otherwise,
Okay.
we'll try that one.
Right. Okay.
You want us to go outside?
No, you're fine. Right.
Oh!
I don't even put this bit on YouTube, Samantha. Right. Might be a bit big.
Oh, so you have to.
Two of me can get in this.
But you need to like put it like this.
Okay.
Put it.
It's okay. He's coming. He'll help you.
Yes, exactly.
Like so.
Now tie.
Now
Ah.
tie it, okay?
Tie it up.
So that's good enough for now.
Your gas.
And then I'm going for this little orange number.
Oh,
so this is
look
called
at this.
This is called a Kurta.
Oh shit.
This is too big.
It's too big.
Yeah, but we can put pins behind
we
it.
have-
Okay, yeah. That's probably better
Try it.
because I
Let's
can't
try
get
it,
taller.
and then we'll put it.
Okay, sweet. And what's it called? A Kurta?
Kurta.
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 Okay, Kurta.
This is sari, that is kurta, and the bottoms are called pajama.
Pajamas.
Ah, okay. This will be funny. I like the colours.
They're gorgeous.
Aren't they?
Orange, yeah.
The orange and then the white.
Even though it didn't take Keelan too long to get ready. Look at you! He did still have some minor issues with his trousers.
Can I breathe out now? That old Indian food is catching up with me, Alif.
And the bears.
Fine now, yeah.
Adding a couple of inches.
Yeah. Cool.
अब देख कितना सही लग रहा है.
Let me see it.
Perfect.
Ooh. You do actually look taller.
Well,
Yeah, this is a straight long thing. This,
Yeah.
This is the set and everything.
lovely. Okay, I'm happy.
Yeah.
Now you can wear your Vans. You have to be. You have to be cautious while.
Hold this.
Oh.
For the pleats.
Yeah.
For the pleats. Yeah.
So we're going to go up on the rooftop now and have a little bit of a photo shoot in our outfits. It's funny, we're in the Ireland colours and the Indian colours, so
Yeah.
we're like literally in green, white and orange, which is pretty cool. This is it, and it's beautiful. It's a nice setting, like there's a fort in the background, like beautiful flowers and all, so I think it's the perfect setting to get nice photos. And it's part of the homestay, LeFort Homestay, the best place to stay ever.
I'm so happy that we got to do this. I mean, when we got to
India, Samantha had mentioned, she was like, I'd love to do an Indian photo shoot with the clothes and things like that. We've been given so much help by Alif and his family and friends that hang around here. They've just picked out the outfits for us. They've showed us how to, you know, wrap the sari and things that we wouldn't know how to do. So getting that help has just been incredible, amazing. I'm so happy for Samantha as well, because like I said, she was like, I'd love to do it, and now we're finally getting to do it. So it's just such a good experience. Okay, so
One on the other, like this, yes.
what facial expressions should I do? Smile? or
Laugh,
You just have to
Look
be
broody.
yourself here.
Broody?
Yes.
No, don't be.
No, no.
Yeah, try that too.
That's typical though.
So, okay.
जिसके सर पे चश्मा रखवा देगा.
What's the pose? The clock, isn't it? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Oh, he knows them all. Look.
Is this a good one?
Yeah, do that.
Side hटा दे. वो side से हटा दे वो shoulders.
God, it's great to have this team.
I
working
know.
with us.
I know.
इसको ऐसे flow में रहने दे.
नहीं आएगा वो. नहीं आएगा.
Get up a little. So it's like you are putting your earring.
Oh wow, yeah.
You look like something from the magazines.
Now stay like this only. Make her laugh more.
Make her laugh.
I know, I feel a little bit nervous. I don't know why. I don't know if I to stand or smile. You know, you
Yeah,
get like
yeah.
that, but I'll get more comfortable as we go.
Yeah. And what's the name of the hat?
This is pagdi.
Puggery. Yeah. I love it. It's very
This
nice.
is like a made pagdi,
Okay.
but you also can like take a long piece of cloth and like just tie it around.
Oh, okay,
It
right.
forms a pagdi like this.
I see, I see.
This is a
Ah.
ready-made pagdi. Correct.
It's beautiful.
So that's our shoot finished on the rooftop and it went really well. I was nervous at the beginning, but I mean, it was just great. We felt really comfortable then as we
Yeah.
were doing it, like, and
Yeah.
had a bit of fun with it.
Yeah.
We look back on some of the photos just on the camera and they look amazing,
Yeah.
like really, really good. So we're gonna go down now and have some chai and then try get some shots as well. Just while we're having some chai. We don't want to get out of the outfits, to be honest. We love them so much. Like, how beautiful are they, honestly?
Yeah, they're stunning, aren't
They
they?
are absolutely stunning. I love them, and it was a dream of ours, I suppose, especially mine, to come away. I said it from the beginning, and like get in an Indian outfit and like get a photo shoot done, and I can't believe we're actually getting to do it.
Did you
Thanks so
enjoy?
much. Yeah, really enjoyed it.
Oh, it's
You're great, amazing.
yeah. Thank you so
Honestly.
much. Brilliant. So it's chai time
Chai time.
behind the scenes.
Oh God. Shade. Nice bit of shade. Now we have chai. Very Indian.
As we sat down and drank our masala chai, we thought now might be the best opportunity to introduce you to somebody very special. Meet Rasta.
No. Rasta. No, Rasta, no. Go, I'll
He has
give
a
it
ball,
to you.
does he?
Yeah, go. No, Rasta, no. Go.
Rasta was saved by Shooby, our photographer, from a village a few hours away from Jaipur, and now he lives with Alif in LeFort Homestay. And we love him.
You have to go.
No, he has no interest in me.
Woo!
Before we go, we just want to say a huge thank you to Shooby and Rim for taking our photos, and to Alif and his lovely mother for helping us out with our outfits. You have all given us great memories forever. So we hope you liked our video of our little Indian photo shoot. If you do, please leave a thumbs up, it helps with our reach on YouTube. You can also follow us on Instagram at GoTime Travels for our daily updates. We have plenty more videos to come from India, so please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.